Welcome back to another episode of this training. Okay, in today's video I'll be teaching you the crash course of Tradingview. Right, the crash course of Tradingview. That is what we'll be doing in this particular video. Just follow me closely and you will get the whole objective that this course comes with. Alright, so the last time I handled the crash course on MetaTrader 5, and I said MetaTrader 5 app is where we'll be executing our trade. Yes, but in Tradingview we are going to be analyzing our trade. Analyzing means to look at the market and decide whether you are to buy or you are to sell the market. That is what analyzing means. Okay, and in subsequent video I'm going to teach you how to analyze the market, so just follow this particular video closely. Alright, so I'll go ahead and I'll open my Tradingview app. It is this app over here, so I'll open it now so you can see how the interface is. Alright, I have opened my app. Alright, I need to update this app, but for the sake of this video I will just use it this way because I have some other functions I needed. So if I should update it, I will not be getting those functions that I need to teach you. Alright, so just follow me closely. Yours might not be like this, yes, for a start, because I'm the one that sets my Tradingview to be this way. You know, you actually edit what you want and what you don't want. As you can see, you're seeing my name. Alright, PW Nation, that is the name I use there. So you can use your own name as you please. Alright, so for you to create your own watch list, I will first of all teach you about watch list. This is watch list. Alright, then this is chart. This is ideas, where people analyze the market and maybe what they are looking at the market. You can just take a look at what other persons are looking at the market. Then here is your news, then here is your setting. So I'm going to start with the watch list. Okay, watch list simply means, this watch list here, it simply means where you will input your currency pairs. Okay, if you follow me when I was teaching the crash course on MetaTrader 5, you understand that they're a bit similar, okay, but different app and different positioning. Alright, so I have some currency pairs listed already. I have Euro USD, I have AUD USD, I have USD CAD, I have NZD USD, I have GBP USD, I have CHF USD, I have JPY USD. Alright, so how did I add them here? I went to this plus sign here, so I will go there. Let's say for example I want to add gold. I'll go there, then I'll type in the symbol for gold. Symbol for gold is XAU, then USD. That is the symbol for gold. It will appear. You can see gold has appeared, gold versus dollar has appeared. So these are different brokers that listed gold on this app, so you can decide to trade with any of them. So I will go with forex.com. that is the normal one I normally go with, forex.com. so when you click it, it will just come to your watch list. Look at it here on your watch list. Alright, so that is how it is. Then if you have anything on your Tradingview that you don't want to see, you can be seeing cryptocurrencies, you can be seeing other commodities like gold, silver. You can click on them, do something like this. Sorry, let me go back. You can do something like this, click on them, then you can click on remove. Alright, it will be off from your watch list. Okay, now if you want to change the name of your watch list, you can go over to this bar here, you click it, and you will see this plus sign here. You click it, then you can change the name of your watch list. Okay, you can change the name of your watch list. Then you click on done, you go back, the name of your watch list will be changed. I hope you're following that tutorial. Alright, so now we have listed currency pairs. Let's move to the next one. Like I said, Tradingview is where we'll be analyzing our market. So what we need to be doing here is just to analyze the market. So we'll be using our chart and our watch list. Once you list the instrument you want to trade here, then you click on the instrument. For example, I'll click on AUD USD. When I click on AUD USD, to take me inside the chart of this particular AUD USD. Do you understand? So when I click on it, they will tell me launch full chart view. I will launch it. This is the chart view. Always make sure that your phone is on landscape. So I'm going to do that now. Alright, as you can see, I have turned my phone. Alright, it is now on landscape. Remember, I'm teaching you trading. It is not necessarily that you need a laptop. Yes, your phone can practically do everything that you need. Alright, as far as you follow my tutorials very well. So I have landscaped my phone. So if you want to zoom out this chart, you can make use of this line and zoom it out with your finger. So look at what I'm going to do. You're seeing it? I'm zooming my chart out. Like I said when I was teaching crash course on MetaTrader 5, I told you that this red candle, you can zoom with your finger as if you're zooming your pictures with your phone. Okay, then you can extend it from this line. So the red candles signifies sellers, the green candle signifies buyers. Okay, you can see them here. See red candles, it means that the market is going down. If you followed my video in the crash course of MetaTrader 5, then the green candle means that the market is going up. Okay, now you can zoom. These are the things you can do with your fingers. You can zoom and go backward, just as I taught you on the crash course of MetaTrader 5. Alright, you can zoom in and see the bigger picture. You can zoom in and see the bigger picture. Then you can zoom out. Just try and use your fingers and be doing this stuff I am doing, so that you will master how to zoom in and how to zoom out. Alright, so I haven't said that. Let's move to the things that we need to know. Alright, now in analyzing the market, we have analyzing tools. Yes, these are the tools that I will be teaching you, because you'll be using them, and as time goes on, you'll be picking them to make use of them. Alright, so first of all, you will go to this place that looks like a pen. Okay, where the joystick is, I'll click it. When I click it, you will see your drawing tools. If you scroll this way, you're seeing drawing tools. Okay, now these are my favorite. Okay, favorite means I have starred them. Anyone you star will be on your favorite. So you can see that these are the major ones that I use. Alright, these are the major ones that I use, and I'm going to teach you all of them. Alright, when I finish teaching you, then we'll move to the next stuff. As you can see, we have a lot of tools that you need. Okay, a lot of tools that you need to use, but it is not all of them that you use. Alright, I will just teach you the basic ones that you need in your trading, and the very ones I use, you can see them, they are starred here. So I'll be picking them one after the other and I'll be explaining them. Alright, so now first of all, what I'm going to be explaining here, I'll be explaining trend line, so that when I ask you to plot a trend line, you will know where to get the tool and how to plot it. Alright, this is trend line. Alright, so I'll click it and I've already picked it. So once I go to my chart and drop it, it will just come up on my chart. Then I will extend it. Are you getting me? I will extend it. So once I click again, it will stay on the chart. So this is a trend line. Hold on, let me make it very fine. Okay, this is a trend line. I am just showing you the tool. Okay, I'm going to teach you on trend line. So this is just the tool. I'll teach you how to draw it so that you will use it and make money in the market. Alright, it's a very powerful tool that you don't need to joke with. Alright, so this is trend line. You can equally change the color. Once you click the trend line, you will see the option here, these three dots here. Or you want to delete it, you can delete it from here. Or you want to change the size of the line, you can change it here. Alright, so if I want to change the color, I will click that three dots. then I'll go to settings. When I go to settings, I'll click on this color. Then from here you can change the color. Let me say I want to change it to green. I have changed it to green. You can see it now, right? But I love it to be black. Instead of you going through that long process, you can just click on this pen tool. Then I love it to be black. Alright, I have done that. So that is the first tool that we'll be learning. Okay, that is the first tool we'll be learning. You can see it on the chart. Right, as I'm zooming, you can see the trend line. Then I'll go over there again. Then I'll get the next one that I start. The next one there is rectangle. Alright, rectangle, I have picked it. It is used to draw your support and resistance. Alright, it is an horizontal line that is used to draw support and resistance, and it is not just a line, it is a zone, a box. Okay, so just watch me. You click on your chart, you drop it, then you can now drag it down. You click out. Okay, you can move it. When you click it, it will be highlighted. Then you can move it. Hold on, let me get it accurately. You can move it. Do you understand? So this is how your support zone will look like. Then when you click it, you can equally change the color. Okay, by clicking on this fill tool, you can change the color. And you change the color to affect it. Alright, now the next thing that we'll be looking at inside that same pen tool is our short position. Short position is when you want to open a trade. It is used to measure your risk management. Okay, if I want to take this trade from here that the market is, I will just click here. Then I have dropped my short position. Are you seeing it? This green is my profit. The pink is my loss. Okay, I'm trying to say that if this market, this is where the market is currently. You can see this red candlesticks as at when I'm making this video. So if this market moves and start coming down, come down to this green box, to the end of this green box, I am in profit. All right, I will won the trade. Or if this market refuses to come down and keep going up and hit the pink last box, I am in loss. So that is how much I will lose. Okay, and this is how much I will gain. All right, so my stop loss, remember what I said about stop loss in the previous video. My stop loss here will be this number, 0.65961. Then my take profit will be this number here, 0.64915. Okay, so that is the work of the short position. We'll go to the next one. Like I said, follow the video closely. All right, the next one is long position. Remember, short is when you're selling the market, whereas long position is when you're buying the market. I'll click on it. I have picked it. Now if I keep it here, you'll see the direction it will go. Are you seeing it? Now your stop loss is not below, your take profit is above. That is you're buying the market to go up. The same illustration I did in the short position, that is the same thing you do in the long position. Why is these positions very important? They are very important because of risk management. If you don't know how much you're losing per trade, you're going to blow up your trading account. All right, so you must know how much you're losing per trade. All right, so that is what we'll be using in the subsequent training videos. I'll be teaching you on risk management. All right, so just follow the video closely. All right, so now the next thing that we have there will be this arrow. We use this arrow to analyze the charts. Maybe you want to indicate something, you do it like this. You click it. You can just make an arrow sign to show where the market is going. Okay, that is what we use arrow to do. All right, so the next one there is paths. Okay, path is when you want to do higher high, higher low. When you click here, I'll explain what higher high, higher low means later. You click, you bring it down, you click it, you take it up, you click it, you take it down, you click it, you take it up, you click it. You can see I'm making a movement as if the market is moving that way. Okay, you click it. So that is what part does for you. Then we go again to the next one. We have horizontal line. Maybe you want to place an horizontal line here, just a line, not a box. You can equally change the color. Okay, then we go again, we get our Fibonacci retracement. Okay, you can plot it from here to this place. I will teach you how to plot Fibonacci retracement. You plot it, you keep it there. Hold on, let me do it too. Alright, you keep it there. You can see that our chart is clustered. So let me go ahead and remove some of these things I have already fixed in this chart so that you understand. You click, you remove, you click, you remove, you click, you remove by deleting. Okay, let me remove the horizontal line. Let me remove the support. Okay, I have removed everything. My chart is as clean as before. Now we'll go over to the next one. What do we have? We have curve. Alright, maybe you want to show the direction of the market. You can just make a curve like this. Okay, that the market will from that place and start coming down. You can turn it like this. You've seen my curve, right? So these are the things, the tools that we use to analyze the market. Alright, so I'll move again. The next one there we have I have text. Okay, if you want to write something, this is where you can just write something. Alright, you can write something here, and when you write, it will appear on your chart. It will just be there on your chart. Alright, so these are the things that I use to analyze the market, and we'll be using them. Please understand them. Remember, they are where I start them. So they are not in my favorite. So you will go ahead and search for them. You know their name. You can come here. When you come to trend line, you've seen trend line. You start it. How to start? You hold it and you start. I have unstarred it. Now I want to start it back. I have started it. It is now on my favorite. I don't need to be searching for it. Fibonacci is starred. Look at where you can find Fibonacci. It is starred. Text. Look at where you can find text, which is annotation. It is starred. Then long position, you can find it in prediction and measurement. You can see that we use it for measurement. Both of them is starred. They are starred. Sorry. So now, moving away from that, I will be taking you on the next that is very important, time frame. Okay, when you click this time frame, let me go back again. These 2 hours here. When you click these 2 hours, it will open the intervals of time frame. You can see my favorite. So I've started the major ones I use. I've seen them 1 month, 1 week, 1 day, 4 hours, 2 hours, and 1 hour, even 15 minutes. So I have started them. We even have seconds and all that. So if I ask you to use a 2 hour time frame, you should come here and pick your 2 hours. Okay, if I ask you to pick one month time frame, you should come here and pick 1 month time frame. What is the doctrine, or what is the teaching behind time frame? Time frame is this. You see this one candle here, this red candle, this big candle here, red candle, appeared 2 hour time. Okay, so every 2 hours a new candle will come out, as far as you're using 2 hour time frame. I hope you're following me. Then if I take it to 1 hour time frame, you see that the chart have changed. Every candle here appears every 1 hour. If I take it to 1 day, you can see how big it is. Every candle here appears every 1 day. If I take it to 1 week, the same thing. Every candle here appears 1 week. Each candle that forms here, you can see green and red, it appears every 1 week. Alright, so moving away from that, since we've known what weekly and monthly 2 hours and 1 hour time frames they are, I'm going to take you to the next one. Alright, so you can change the color of this your chart. Alright, this is your red. You can change it to anything you want. So you design your chart according to what you want. Alright, you just decide to do whatever thing that you want as far as it is okay by you. So when you click these settings, you click this settings symbol. When you click it, it will bring you to this place. You click on settings. Alright, when it brings you to this place, you click on candlestick. Alright, you can see the body is green, the other body is red, so you can change it. If I click on this place now and change it to, let me see, to black, you can see the candle is changing. Then if I change this one to white, you can see, and I click OK, you can see how my candle now is. Alright, I can decide to be trading it like this, but you know, color matters a lot, so I need to do what I fancy and what my eyes can easily understand. So I'll go back, I'll change it, click on candle, this candle here. Yes, when you click on it, it will appear. I'll make this one green. Yes, then I'll make this one red. I think I've gotten the colors back. Alright, so this is how you can change your color. Alright, remember this is Tradingview crash course. Alright, so just follow my teachings and how I am taking them. So the next thing there is ideas. Alright, this idea now, people have already analyzed markets. You can decide to trade what they are trading if you want to. Okay, but as a trader, I'm going to teach you on how to analyze the market. Then here happens to be your news. Alright, here happens to be your news. There is no news at the moment. If there's news to appear, then you go to your menu. Here is where your email will be. You can equally edit your profile. Okay, you can put other things. So this is how the Tradingview is. The major thing that you need here is watch list. Get used to watch list and get used to your chart. Now when you enter your chart, get used to these drawing tools because we'll be making use of them. When I tell you to draw support, I know the tool I'm going to tell you to draw, and when I tell you to draw support, you should know the tool that you should use and draw support. Alright, now let me just show you one thing here. We have this plus sign here. This one, you can click on it. You will equally see drawing tool. It will take you there. Let's go back again. You click on that plus sign, you will see indicators. Okay, if I ask you to go to indicators, this is where you will go to. Now when you come, you can search any indicator you want and you're looking for. When you search it, it will come out. You're seeing a lot of indicators that came out. Okay, I can choose one. You can see the ones that I've starred. Anyone starred, I used to make use of it. All right, now let me go back. So that is what you do there. The next one is you can actually share your chart picture. Okay, you can share it. Let me say you are done analyzing the market and you want to show it to your friend, or you want to share your idea with somebody. You can click on this plus sign, then go to share chart picture. Once you click on share chart picture, it will show you it has now screenshotted it for you to share it. Okay, for you to share it. So let me say, for example, I can share it with somebody on WhatsApp. Okay, this is how it will appear. It's not like a screenshot. I can share it with somebody on WhatsApp. Then if I send it, the person will receive it. Okay, so that is that for that particular section. Alright, so this is the crash course on Tradingview. Alright, now I rightly said, and I've been saying this, in Tradingview we don't open trade here. Okay, we analyze the market. This is where we come, look at our support and resistance, look at what is happening trend line, look at the candlesticks and analyze the market, decide what to do in the market. Now, when we decide what to do in the market, which is the analysis, we will now go to MetaTrader 5, then execute the trade, that is to say open. If you are done analyzing and you want to sell or you want to buy, you will now go to MetaTrader 5 and you click on sell or buy. Now, MetaTrader 5 is where you'll be monitoring your profit and your loss, whereas in Tradingview is where you'll be looking at the chart and seeing what is happening in the market. Okay, this is the market. This chart is the market. So if you're hearing me saying charts, or market, this is it. If you hear me say market, these candlesticks, green and red, they are the market. If you hear me say chart, this candlestick, green and red, they are equally the chart. Okay, so this is how it is. So in our next video, we'll be moving ahead with technical analysis. All right, how to analyze the market and how to decide whether you are to sell or to buy. Because if you keep on following people's signals, you don't know what they are doing. I will talk more on that video, so anticipate it. All right, this brings us to the end of this training video for today. Peace out.